occasion of Maharashtra Day, we also celebrate Labor Day. Our STV family wishes to express their gratitude to all our parents who are working selflessly and fearlessly during this pandemic. A big salute to Corona warriors. Selfless service alone gives the needed strength and courage to awaken the sleeping humanity in one's heart. Now, I request our principal, Mrs. Rachna Sharma ma'am, to express her gratitude towards our parents who are frontline workers.
A warm greetings to true heroes of real life. Today, on 1st May 2021, the entire family of Srimati Taramai Vartak Memorial Academy take an opportunity to pay a tribute to our students' parents who are frontline workers. I, Mrs. Rachna Sharma, acting principal of the school, thank you so much for all your hard work during this moment of grief for everyone. Your strength is beyond incredible to see, and I hope that you all know just how much your support means. Everyone is so scared and sad during this time, but you are here to help people through it all. I cannot imagine how much anger and sadness that you have gone through this past year. It's just so amazing that through all this, you are still here to help. Thank you so much for doing what you are. No amount of words can appropriately convey our appreciation to our superhumans. You are truly inspiration for our students. Please remain healthy and safe during these trying times. Hopefully, with the vaccine, that the defeat of virus is in sight. Thank you all.
Your undiluted courage, selflessness, determination, and focus have ensured that India stays on tracks in these difficult times. Placing yourself at great risks, you have ensured that people remain safe and are well taken care of. We pour our hearts' gratitude and thankfulness to our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. We salute your determination and grit. India will be safe and emerge victorious in this fight with COVID-19 just because of your selfless toil and sacrifice.
Your undying spirit, determination, and courage to save our city is fantastic. Putting our safety before anything else, you guys are the pillars that are keeping us strong. This is the time to thank our police who leave their families at home and work with all their efforts for our safety and security. So let's salute them and say thank you.
Despite incredible challenges, despite the tremendous personal sacrifice, and despite of risk to you personally from COVID-19 virus, you all are doing your jobs. You all media reporters kept giving us information about the condition outside. You are enabling preparedness rather than panic. The communities where you live owe you a depth of gratitude. I, Siddhi Praveen Tarde, thank you all media reporters for your efforts and hard work during this pandemic. Thank you.
Due to this COVID-19 virus, we can do stuff at home because of the frontline workers. Despite of worrying about their safety, they ensure our safety. Not beating their families for days and months, they still work. A hearty thanks to those who keep our country clean.
This is a special message for our grocery store workers. I want to thank you for your hard work during this time. You are assuring people that our supply chain remain intact and they don't have to worry about running out of supplies. Thank you once again.
When one consciously risks his own life for the well-being of the other, that is worship-worthy. The healthcare workers, the doctors, the nurses, security agencies, the forces, the police and the various other staff, we bow down to you.
समर्पण को तेरे प्रणाम, समर्पण को तेरे प्रणाम। ममता का तू है दूजा नाम, समर्पण को तेरे प्रणाम। आपदा से ये रण तू है लड़ रहा, मौत का बढ़ रहा कारवां। तेरे हाथों से ही जग का आशीष है, तेरा जीवन तेरा ना रहा। इस पथ पर चले ना रुके ना डरे, विश्व तेरा ऋणी हो गया। सूरज की तरह तू अखंडित रहा, तेरा जीवन ही है प्रेरणा।
Thank you from the bottom of my heart for serving on the front line of this pandemic. You are sacrificing so much to save people's lives and to maintain normalcy. Because of your efforts, I can trust that my family, friends, and neighbors will stay safe during this unprecedented crisis. You are the real heroes of this country, and we value every single effort to save every life. Be safe.